Konnichiwa, it's Nami from Just One Cookbook. Welcome back to another episode of Tea Time with Nami. During our recipe shoots, I don't make too many mistakes. However, the video intro and outros like this are the most challenging parts for me. Every time I speak on camera, it's like having amnesia. I can't remember what I'm supposed to say. So I use iPhone to help me memorize all my scripts. Mr. JOC put together a little video of bloopers, and I hope this video will make you laugh and make your day a little brighter. Enjoy! Today I'm sharing a recipe for Okinawan donuts called Sata Andagi. When we are in Okinawa last December, these three ingredients that are popular in Okinawa. Pork, among all the Okinawan dishes I recreated, beef is ground beef with taco seasoning. Ground beef with taco seasoning is served on the bed of steamed rice and topped with shredded lettuce, cheese, tomatoes, and salsa. Oh man, almost. Is served on the bed of steamed rice and topped with the perfect beef stock. But I want to share all types of Japanese food on my channel, even more for the obscure one. It's a perfect beef stock for many Japanese dishes such as beef noodle soup, and don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button. Yeah, click the bell button. If you enjoy this video, please hit that subscribe button. No, hit that. That's what happens when I speak naturally. Subscribe and click that bell button. Button. Which one's correct? Button. Okay. If you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button. Bell button. Konnichiwa, it's Nami from Just One Cookbook. Summer is quickly approaching and we are making And if you want to make it vegetarian, you can swap the meat with the grilled vegetables. And if you want to make it vegetarian, you can swap the meat with the vegetable. And if you want to make it vegetarian, you can use grilled. Today I'm sharing the correct way to measure a flour. Don't make too many mistakes. However, for video intro and Konnichiwa, it's Nami from Just One Cookbook. And smile. As most of you know, English is not my first language, and I have a lot of problems speaking it. However, the video intros and outro like this is the most challenging. Oh my gosh. Every time I speak on camera, it's almost like having amnesia. I don't, what do I say? I can't remember what I'm supposed to say. Yeah, that's right.
Smile.
Every time I speak on camera, it's almost like. I hope you had fun laughing at me. I hope you had fun laughing at me, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you soon in my next video. またね。The soup is typically made with chicken and pork bones and it has light creamy color. I couldn't say it. Okay, say again.